2, 1, go! Robots beginning motion into their autonomous. 1 power shot, 2 power shots from the Blue Alliance, 3 power shots from the Blue Alliance, very impressive. As well as the Red Alliance, of course, scoring in those top goals, but a slight collision between the 2 robots here on their autonomous, which does mean Technova does not place their wobble goal in the correct position, unfortunately, whereas the Blue Alliance has placed both their wobble goals in the correct position and parked successfully, which means we're going to have a slight point disparity coming into this next round, next part of the game.
Pick up your controller. 3, 2, 1.
With a live score of 106-24, but all robots immediately beginning motion. 15959, placing their wobble goal down for ease of use for the rest of their system. And as you've got these robots here moving around with as much gusto and vigor as they had yesterday, getting ready to rumble for this second day of matches, it does look like the primary resource here is not the rings quantity, but it looks like we're trying to get them loaded in as fast as possible. However, there is a bit of clogging going on. 8719 seems to be struggling a little bit to get rings when all these other robots are in the way, trying to get rings as well. Again, it's about being able to get those rings before the other alliance can get them, so you can successfully score in that top goal. At this level of play, most of the robots can score in that top goal pretty sufficiently, which means that the number one challenge is getting the rings as fast as possible, with 1 minute left in the match. Red Alliance resetting their power shots in preparation for endgame. As you know, sometimes with this field, the power shots can be knocked over by accident or during autonomous, so they'll need to be reset before the endgame begins. Now, with 38 seconds, about to enter our first endgame of the day on field number 2. That whistle marking the start of our endgame, with live scoring tied right there, but soon changing as Red Alliance and Blue Alliance continue to score in their top goals. And now it's time for these robots to either get some power shots or try and get those wobble goals. Now, it is important to note that the Blue Alliance does have 1 wobble goal outside of their arena already, and are going for a second with 8719, extending their arm to grab that second wobble goal. With only 5 seconds left in the match, can they make it in time? They cannot, unfortunately. But that still is 1 wobble goal for the Blue Alliance and no wobble goals for the Red Alliance.
And it looks like we have a score here for match number 50, where the Blue Alliance comes on top with a win 230-174, helping to push a few teams up in the ranks.
This stream is made possible with support from Stryker Careers. Be part of the future of medical device technology. Join an incredible Fortune 500 company that will support you being a mentor or volunteer in FIRST. No matter what stage you are in your career, Stryker has something for you at careers.stryker.com.